Good morning, it's now the day after, and I'm rocking my Crank FPV hoodie, and the lads are up. Morning everybody, morning Si. We're just doing some breakfast and bits and pieces like that.
I'll feel my swollen face in the morning.
And we're about to head off for day 2 of our misadventures. I would be lying if we didn't have a few beers last night and enjoy ourselves maybe a little bit. See, Kevin is hungover it. Right.
Yeah, something like that.
So we're going to head to the track. You heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. Look for him on Tinder.
Oh.
Swipe right.
I'm not on there.
Yeah. And grab a get, and then we're going to head to the track today. So.
Walk down too quick. That's so good.
Okay. A little bit breezy here, but we're sitting on the track. How about I do this? So you can see the track in the background. There we go. Better lighting. When I say we, I mean them, because I don't race. I don't get the track thing. They know what they're doing. I just sort of go, oh yep, sweet as. So this is day 2 of the Cracked Ink Invitational, and as you can see, they are setting up the track behind me and ready for a day of racing. So I'm probably going to hang around here for most of the day, but at some point I want to go and rip a couple of spots around here, because I know he's got some beautiful, beautiful places and just begging to be ripped. Until then, I guess we're about to roll a montage of racing.
Push me, and then just touch me, till I can get my satisfaction.
The right way to review props is actually not with them on a quad. It's to just, you want to do a cheese test, a ham test, and a cereal test. So
Right.
because it's not a fork or a spoon or a knife, you have to test all 3 aspects and see which brand of prop actually covers all those aspects the best.
Right, so
And that's the prop you want to run.
you need a wide blade area, obviously. Yeah.
It's not just about the blade area, because you also have to cut cheese and ham with it.
Right, so it needs to be sharp as well.
So you want something that can cover all bases. I actually really like these Dell props.
Yeah, I can see it's a used one, so it's got a hint of earthy flavours as well.
Vitamins and nutrients.
Yep.
Dog poo.
Yep.
Oh no, it's good.
Things have happened. Flying happened. Not much for me though. Just all the racers got out there and kind of did their thing. And it's right on gold now, so of course there's a thing that everyone has to do, or anyone that flies quads anyway, at gold now, and that is find a spot that has a really, really good view of the sunset, rip the crap out of it. And so, because we're suckers for punishment, we always seem to choose spots that have black like this. But Safety netting. Safety is important. Air is also important. This is the health and safety version of having a spotter. The work never ends when you're a mini quad pilot, does it? Ty's is already admiring his award.
Not one.
Sure, might find out later. Looks like you've had a pretty full-on day, my friend.
Man, I'm fucked.
Yeah? How did you place in the racing?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Somewhere from 5th to 8th.
Oh. Here, you could take Ian Richardson's place.
Hey,
He's also like 2 years old now.
Hey, Phil.
This shady character. Hey. Oh, tag must scribble on a wall. I must say it's not quite as good as size attempt, which is way juicier. But gotta start somewhere. Yeah. I know how I feel about the touching dicks. Everywhere is a hidden dick.
I'm probably the only one that still hasn't painted on the wall.
Oh, do it! You have to. It's fun.
Oh, we'll do it.
Do it now.
Come on.
No, right now. There's a Stefan's got the paint.
Just like,
Plenty of room.
just like fucking go to a big empty space and just be like, salt sticker. Maybe don't do that.
Plenty of room for more dicks in there, bro.
I don't know what to paint. If you're feeling really artistic, you can try and draw a vagina. So much you can draw a vagina. No,
Perfect.
I don't know what that looks like.
Me neither.
That's believable. Not me.
Yeah. Draw an 80s vagina. It's just hair everywhere.
Yeah.
Up for mighty day 3 of the Cracked Ink Invitational. Had a pretty reasonable night's sleep at size. All packed up, all showered, all ready. Gear is in the car, so we can head home pretty much whenever we feel like it. We just rocked up at the studio, and today is the indoor racing. So we have the track set up, which you've already seen. Actually, yeah, no, it's good to go. And today is the day where all the breakages and stuff are going to happen, because let's just adjust that lighting a little bit. There we go. There you can see me. Because yeah, it's not very forgiving in here. Stefan's broken 2 quads. I didn't actually break anything, but I haven't done any racing either. So we are ready to go.
Morning. We out here, about to practice, about to race, about to fuck some shit up. Is that good?
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Nailed it. Yeah.
Hopefully not fuck some shit up.
Yeah, well, he's been trying all weekend, he hasn't, Tinder's not been working very well. So, yeah, here we are. Ready to roll. Everyone's already set up, so we're a little bit late. So we decided to gap it out of there this morning. A whole bunch of flying happening from everybody else to us, and we were going to fly a spot at an undisclosed location, a rather impressive looking bando, but a bit of sideways rain.
From this president, be afraid, be very afraid.
That's pretty cool. Sorry, billboard on the side of the road, that looked pretty funny. So that didn't happen. It was raining sideways. So we just stopped off at Haureta for some lunch, and now we're cruising up towards New Plymouth. And the weather's not looking that good, so this may have been a completely wasted thing. But we're going to try anyway, and sort of see what happens. My niece. We just stopped in at New Plymouth.